Hello guys, here I have Electrolux Dishwasher ESM64840SX, and today I will show you how you can set the water softener level. So in the first step you have to open the user mode, so hold this button in the same time for a few seconds. Okay, now we are in the user mode. Then click on the P button. The echo indicator show lighting, and there we have a 5L. So, to manage these settings, press the P button to adjust the water softener level. After that, just wait or click on the power button to save these settings. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.